All right, so you guys know I'm a pretty big proponent of being able to shoot good with one hand, especially your primary hand, your strong hand, especially within like 7 yards. Okay, movement, cover barriers, one-handed shooting, explode out the line, move as much as you can, bring violence to them, all that shit. But let's say you have something in your hand, your phone. A lot of us do, yeah. So we're here, and I know today I'm wearing this fucking outside the rig, outside the waist retention rig, but it's my range gear and whatever. So I'm about 5 yards from the target. So if I'm here and all of a sudden, oh fuck, boom, I want to probably get my hands free. All right, so what that looks like is shots in exactly 2 seconds. First shot went off at 1.51, excuse me. Now I'm only about 5 yards away, so the hits, better be good. But let's try something else. All right, so I'm gonna try again the keeping my phone in my hand and basically going to a two-hand grip with my phone in it. So let's see if this could work. So again, about 5 yards away, I'm kind of on the phone here, and felt really awkward, but I got 3 good hits. First one went out in 1.45 and all 3 in 1.85. That's my grip. But I still got my phone and he's down, so I can call. Is that better? Here, check the hits out. Let you see. Is that better than throwing your lifeline on the ground? I don't know. So you tell me.